They
They ran.
they ran. Very good.
They ran the car at the airport.
At the airport. Very good. Okay, next, number 2, present continuous tense.
They
Mm-hmm.
are
Oh, very good.
renting
Renting
a car
a car
at the airport.
at the airport. Good. Okay, next, past tense.
They are
Oh, they are ke? Kalau past tense, ada are ke?
they rent
Ah, they rented. Plural noun.
rented
Mm-hmm.
a car at the airport.
At the airport. Okay, next one, past continuous tense.
They
They was for singular noun.
were
Very good. They were
renting
renting
a car
a
at
car
the airport.
at the airport. Very good. Okay, next, past perfect tense. Present perfect tense, sorry.
They
They
have
hmm? Have, very good. They have
rent
rented.
rented
Mm-hmm.
a car at the airport.
Very good. Okay, next. Past perfect tense.
They
They
had
had
rented
rented
a car
mhm,
at the airport.
very good, at the airport. Okay, last one, future tense.
They
Mm-hmm.
will
Mm-hmm.
rent
Mm-hmm.
a car
Mm-hmm.
at the airport.
At the airport. Are you done?